California Autoloss motorcycle appraisal. Has your motorcycle been damaged in an accident and declared a total loss? It can be required to obtain an impartial, certified motorcycle evaluation when attempting to determine a fair value throughout the claims procedure with your insurance provider. Benchmark Auto Appraisers can provide an appraisal to determine the value of a vehicle prior to it being declared a total loss. If you have invoked the appraisal clause in your insurance policy, Benchmark Auto Appraisers can assist in mediating the claim. When supplying you with our expert conclusions in a certified appraisal report, our trained appraiser also takes into account your vehicle's distinctive features. Do you need an appraisal to establish the pre-loss value of a motorcycle? Let Benchmark Auto Appraisers help you with your claim. With over 45 years of experience, we'll do our best to get what you deserve. Call 1-877-888-6113 today.